financial year has been one of consolidation and fiscal responsibility. I thank the members of this House and the Provincial Cabinet for supporting our austerity drive and reform agenda during uncertain times. The year began with a balanced budget of rupees 3.506 trillion with an IMF mandate primary surplus target of rupees 299 billion. The province faced a rupees 282 shortfall in NFC transfers, receiving only rupees 1,363 billion out of rupees 1,645 billion projected until May 2025. Despite this, the government released rupees 666 billion in development funding, is on track to utilize rupees 500 billion by the year end, the highest ever development expenditure, will complete approximately 1,494 development schemes, another all-time high, allocated record high funds to health and education, transforming service delivery across Sindh. Mr. Speaker, despite daunting fiscal and economic pressures, the government of Sindh remains resolute and forward-looking. With discipline, vision and people's trust, we will continue delivering progress and prosperity